Have you ever thought that two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is foolproof? Welcome to Secure Cyber Mart. Think again. While 2FA adds a layer of security, it can be bypassed in certain situations. This video will uncover the vulnerabilities hackers exploit, and why two-factor authentication isn't as reliable as many believe. Two-factor authentication is designed to protect your accounts. It usually requires something you know, like a password, and something you have, like a code sent to your phone. However, hackers have developed several methods to circumvent this protection. Let's explore some common attack techniques. Hackers often employ social engineering. They trick victims into revealing their 2FA codes. For instance, they might impersonate a trusted source, or create fake websites to harvest your information. This can lead to unauthorized access, despite 2FA being enabled. Another vulnerability lies in certain 2FA implementations. Flaws in backup and recovery mechanisms can weaken security. These flaws mean that the so-called second factor isn't always secure. Therefore, attackers can exploit these weaknesses to gain access. The main takeaway is that relying solely on 2FA can be risky. Attackers can leverage deception and weaknesses in the system. Therefore, it is crucial to recognize that 2FA enhances security, but does not guarantee it. To stay safe, treat your 2FA codes and tokens like passwords. Always keep them confidential, and never share them. Be vigilant about phishing attempts that try to collect your 2FA information. Moreover, combine 2FA with strong passwords. Ensure your devices are secure, and remain alert to suspicious activity. Remember, security is about layers. Don't assume 2FA will always protect you. In summary, while two-factor authentication adds an important layer of security, it can be compromised. Stay informed and proactive about your online security. Protect yourself against sophisticated attacks by using a comprehensive approach to security. If you're looking to elevate your cyber resilience, tap into our expert consultancy services and build a safer digital future. You'll find our contact info in the description below. Like this video, subscribe and share. By doing so, you help this channel make more videos. Now, take action. Review your security settings today. Enable 2FA where possible. But do not stop there. Educate yourself about the latest threats, and ensure you are fully protected online. Thank you for watching.